Numbers, and we're just gonna finish this example today. I went ahead and did this first example from JavaScript Numbers as objects already. So let's go in to try it yourself. And there you can see the example. You can do it yourself. I already did it. I actually tried to record this last weekend, but it got too noisy. So anyways, numbers can also be defined as objects with the keyword new. And that's what they're doing here. Let y equal new number 1, 2, 3. Then type of br type of y, which is new number 1, 2, 3. Now let x equal 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go ahead and move on from that one now. So when using the double equal sign operator, x and y are equal. So let's try that one here. And I think we might need to, oh no, we have enough table cells already. So numbers and number objects cannot be safely compared. I've decided that I'm going to be doing some Java lessons on here as well, since I have like all my textbook stuff there and I haven't used it in a while, so why not add that to the list of things I do on the channel. So we're going to be learning some Java, which is a programming language rather than a scripting language, on the channel as well later on. I don't know, probably try something next video if I have the environment ready and everything for Java. I haven't done Java in a while, so I think that Notepad, or maybe, yeah, I think Sublime is able to output Java programming, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna have to check that out later. Because the last time I did it was in college, and that was like a environment that was available through an online school kind of thing, through the college course. But it wasn't on Sublime. I don't think it was on Sublime. I don't know, it might have been. I might have done some stuff on Sublime. I think I made a clock and like a weather app on Sublime for that class. Okay, so save that. And now let's update the values here. So x is going to be 27, y 27. X 27 is equal to y 27. And then demo is going to be 95. Demo 95. So we're going to save that. And I'll be right back. I forgot to open the testing lab for this. Our lab open now. I'm just gonna refresh, save this, Control S, and refresh. And now this should be the output. Numbers and number objects cannot be saved compared. True. And there's our output right there. Okay, next exercise. So, when using the triple equal operator, x and y are not equal. So double equal, equals equal, triple equal, does not equal equal. Alright, so for this one, I think it's the same thing except for one thing. They just added an extra equal sign right there. Let's see. Yeah, it's all the same. So we can just copy this and then update the values for the exercise. Safely compared. Demo 96 now. X28, Y28. New number 500. Demo 96. X28. Y28. Okay. And then add an extra equal sign there. Yeah, that college class was pretty interesting. It was the first college I went to. I was paying out of pocket, working at McDonald's. And let's see, numbers objects cannot be safely compared. False. There's our output right there. And I used to wear this Slayer hat because Slayer is a pretty heavy, pretty extreme thrash metal band. And I was always looked down upon by the teacher for that, because he associated Slayer with a lot of negative things. I just associated it with thrash metal. That's it. And that's why I liked it. Okay, so now x equal to y, true or false. Okay, so try it yourself. Let's see. Javascript objects cannot be compared. Note the difference between x equal equal and x equal equal equal. Okay, so we don't have to do these. These are basically the same thing, except, yeah, they're basically the same thing. It's just redoing the last two exercises to try to ingrain this in your memory. If you want to do it, go ahead, but this is the same lesson. 2 equal signs is equal, 3 equal signs is not equal. And that's what it is for these two exercises. Oh, and that's it. Okay. Well, I will catch you in the next video. I'm not sure which category of things I'm going to hop to on the next video, so we'll find out next time. Take it easy.